Hi, this is Air Canada Flyer here to do a kind of a special unboxing. I'm gonna unbox the US Airways Airbus A330-300, and I'm also gonna show you my current Airbus fleet. This is not all my Airbus fleet. I do have, I have more stored away, but this is my current three that I have right now. And here, start with the unboxing, and then we'll get to that. So this is a US Airways. The box was damaged, so it was like $13 off. I got it for $26, and they actually gave it to me for $15. Yeah. And there's the words. Let's start the unboxing. So it comes in your typical box, Gemini jet, and I'm sorry I haven't done this boxing. I knew I was meaning to. This box was released. This is a 2007 release. Don't expect to find this plane anymore, as it is very rare to find an A330. Yeah, so don't expect a little difficulty when finding it. It is a nice plane. Features winglets. It's the US Airways logo on it. The registration on this aircraft is November 273AY. I'm going to put that right here, so let me explain all the current Airbuses I have. I have a Northwest Airbus A330-300, due to be painted in Delta colors, which I'll tell you that in a little bit. And we have my travel Airbus A330-300. And my Air Transat Airbus A330-200. Rare plane to find. Now the plane I am ordering tonight, I am ordering another plane tonight. This time it's a Delta Airbus A330. Same plane. As you can see, this plane does, winglet is a little... The winglet's a little bent, but what can you do? So comment, rate, subscribe, and request a plane, and I'll dedicate it to you. Thanks. Once again, Delta A330-300 will be ordered tonight. Have it up in a couple days. Thanks.